In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display to access this switcher next to adaptive brightness and manage it. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu. Click on those three dots located on brightness slider and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it the same way. This time though, to save your changes, hit Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!